Hi there, and today we're going to have a Monday.com Llama Farm Widget tutorial. So here I am in my Monday.com dashboard, and in order to add the Llama Farm Widget, we just need to click on here, the main table, and then we will add a view. So click on Add View, and then click on Explore More Views. Then from here, we will type in the Llama Farm. So click on Open in Board, and then it will automatically open this Llama Farm widget. So Llama Farm is a fun way to add to your workspace to have some more motivation in completing your tasks. So each llama right here, when I hover over them, represents a different task. So this yellow one is the task 1, this green llama is a task 2, this red one is the task 3, then this gray one is the task 4, and then you can play with them by just dragging them around your widget. And then the goal for this Llama Farm widget is to have all of the llamas turn green, as that represents that you have completed all of your tasks. So you can adjust the view right here. So for example, for the group, if you want to have the to-do list right here, or you want to have the completed group right here. So it just depends on your preference. And then I'll just add here the to-do group. And then you can also add the start and due date. And then depending on if you are doing your tasks, sometimes the llamas will be sad since you haven't completed your task yet, depending on the due date. But since we haven't hit the due date yet, they are just happily walking throughout our widget. And then if you want to show this widget as a banner, you can just click on split view. And then as you can see right here, I now have my tasks right here at the bottom, and then I'll have the Llama Farm widget right here at the top. And then what we can also do as well, we can add some baby llamas by adding sub items. So for example here for the task 4, if I expand the item, and then if I add some items right here, so for example, sub item 1, then I'll add sub item 2. Let me just adjust the view. And then I have here the sub item 1 and sub item 2. And then you can go ahead right here. It says we can add baby llamas for sub items. So we can just refresh this. Since we added the sub items 1 and 2 to the task 4, we should see that in the Llama Farm once we reload. And then as you can see, we now have these 2 baby llamas in the task 4 llama. And then what we can also do, so I'll show you how you can make them into a green llama. So you just need to change the status into done. So for example, for this one, I'll change this into a done status, and then along with the sub items, you can change this into done as well. Right here. And then we can refresh our page so that it will be reflected in the Llama Farm widget. Then as you can see, the task 4 is now green along with its baby llamas or the sub items. And then that is it. That is how we use the Llama Farm widget. I hope you have fun with using this widget in your Monday.com workspace, and thank you for watching.